Hello, I'm Gerald Bakker, owner of SmallBusinessRescueCenter.com, dedicated to helping small, local, service-based businesses like yours. Focusing on affordable website upgrades, I aim to boost inbound sales prospect calls by double, triple, or even quadruple the current rate. Many small businesses invest a lot of time and money in their websites and Google Ads, and yet they lack compelling call to action buttons that could turn cold visitors into valuable leads. Did you know that only 4% of the visitors to a typical website will actually call? Yeah. If you don't prompt them to call you, they won't. We are here to help you recover the other 96% using our sensible plug-in marketing tools. As service-based businesses, success often hinges on responding promptly to customer needs. At SmallBusinessRescueCenter.com, we understand the importance of marketing and prompt service. Our website showcases solutions to your marketing challenges through demos of strategies that can increase your new business prospects by 75% to 400% without spending any extra on your existing advertising spend. Even implementing just one or two of these strategies can significantly impact your success. So visit our website to explore these services and choose one to start with. The easy ones even include a free 14-day trial with measurable results that we're confident will speak for themselves. So let us help you elevate your business to new heights of success. Thank you for listening.